Hello guys, finally we have made our drum cooler and I will show you how everything is working. So if we look from front side, you will see it have a wonderful great looking grill, and you see it have there's a metal wire by which its fan is connected to its drum body. And if we look from back side, you see it have a good looking air intake ventilations. Yes, it looks really great and pretty strong. And if we look from inside, you will see our cooling pad in a bad condition. So I will upgrade into honey pad in future. So don't worry about this. You see, I have added a smaller pipes inside this bigger pipe, so water flow should be straight, and our cooling pad get good amount of water. If you enjoyed this video, like this video and comment your suggestions and opinions into comment box, and share this video with your friends. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye. Jai Hind.